Oh, come on.
Boo!
Give. That's a farm car.
Get a turbo upgrade.
Grandma walks faster than that with her walker.
You can scratch your balls faster. You put the brakes on again.
Hey, I'll tell him I'll jump it.
That's his jump. Did you see that one Extreme Mazda jump when he jumps and hits a tree with the Mazda?
Oh,
that's him. That's him.
I'm a fan of Dave's Farm.
Yeah, training in progress. That's better.
Yeah, see, I was too far that way. Come on, Pat, just give her!
Come on, let's see something.
In the cornfield, come on!
Let's go.
Punch it!
Pussy!
Oh, Grandma! That Porsche did way better.
Oh, here we go.
A little better. That Porsche still did better.
Yeah, it got all four wheels off the ground.
Like absorb it so much. Gotta push the handle down.
Push your leg down.
Oh yeah! Yeah, my mom's gonna jump. My mom's gonna jump.
Wave, guys, camera.
Wave.
Not enough speed, man.
It's working.
I want to see some air.
Beautiful.
I think that was the best one of them all.
He learned quick. Yeah!
Some footage.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Get on the road!
There's some footage.
There's some big rocks over there.
Yeah.
Oh man, I gotta rework the pathway now.
I can't believe this weather for October, right?
No shit. Bobby Joe, she's gonna show us. Oh, off course! Oh, she fucked the car.
There's some footage.
Oh, your mom sucks, but she got good air.
Oh, that was good.
That's enough for that car for the day.
Yep.